Hi, my name is Jessica Couch. I'm a fashion and technology expert. I go to conferences and do research so that you don't have to. And I have this really cute, cool new microphone that came with my new camera, which was a gift. So I have exciting news. I just joined an advisory board for the top retail experts that put me on the board with basically the best in the world all over the globe of people who have been in retail for like 30 years, people who have crazy experience, C-suite level executives. You now have access to not only me, but my entire Justice League of retail people. And because I am so excited about this opportunity, I'm offering two things. First, I am offering a fashion technology workshop for organizations and institutions. So if you go to a school and they're not teaching you fashion technology and you want demos, you want firsthand experience, and you even want our custom GPT that we created so that you don't have to Google anymore, you can just have access to all of the best fashion technology, then you need to make sure you reach out to me or click the link that's in my bio to sign up for it. I think it's going to be super important to get this workshop. It's very hands-on, immersive, and experiential, so you don't have to worry about me sitting there lecturing to you. I'm going to bring in the best people possible to tell you exactly what's going on. You're going to get demos that you can't get anywhere else. Get a custom GPT so that you don't have to search the way I've had to search for 13 years. And all you have to do is reach out to whoever in your organization who kind of signs off on this, let them know these workshops exist and send them the link, or reach out to your institution, tell them you want a fashion technology one-on-one workshop, and I will be there to support you. Workshops are starting. I would love to get to you to get one. And if you want me, click the link, sign up, and let's do this.